Bullish Jasmy coin, Jasmy, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.02191 and $0.041386 by 2030. Market examiners accept Jasmy could reach $0.017041 by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.003895. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, presentation Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things, IoT, gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the conventional design of a market, the digital currency market continues developing and fanning out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Nonetheless, with this consistent development and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin, Jasmy. Jasmy stage fills in as an information assurance convention that places information a majority rule government at a high worth and expects to go about as a mediator for the safe trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces, PDL. This guarantees that information isn't handily gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in concentrated frameworks, which help information examination and cornered figures. In this article, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin, Jasmy. Will the past cost exhibition make it a wise venture for the following bull run? Will it hit all-time again after this passing twisting? And what's the cost estimate for Jasmy before very long? What is Jasmy coin, Jasmy? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based ERC coin and local badge of the Jasmy stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Ando made to interface more web, IoT, gadgets, subsequently improving the customary method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves an enormous scope of issues and purposes. Jasmy coin is presently worth $0.004869 United States dollars. Jasmy has moved 3.68% as of now with an exchanging volume of $19,616,774. Jasmy coin is presently positioned 152 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $239,648,640 United States dollars. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling difference, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin, Jasmy, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Jasmy coin, Jasmy, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023 Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year, Jasmy. The Jasmy cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.007303. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.006816 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Jasmy is supposed to have a base worth of $0.005843. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2024 of every 2024, Jasmy coin Jasmy cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Jasmy will before long outperform $0.012172. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Jasmy's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Jasmy will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.009738 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.010712. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value forecast 2025 in the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.017041 and Jasmy might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Jasmy is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.015581 and a low of $0.014607 in 2025. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2026. Assuming Jasmy coin effectively helps market opinion among digital money aficionados, the Jasmy coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Jasmy will be green in 2026. The Jasmy is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.02191, with a base cost of $0.0194766 and a typical cost of $0.020449. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Jasmy cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.025318 by 2027. With a base cost of $0.024345 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Jasmy has a most extreme value worth of $0.026779. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.030187. In the event that Jasmy figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.031648. Neglecting to accumulate the help Jasmy needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.029214. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value forecast 2029. While Jasmy is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.034082 and a yearly cost close above $0.036517 in 2029. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value forecast 2030. By 2030, Jasmy coin will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.038951 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.041386, averaging out at $0.039925. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Jasmy cost in 2031 is projected to be $0.047715 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0.045768. What is the Jasmy coin, Jasmy, cost today? Today, Jasmy coin, Jasmy, is exchanging at $0.004869 with a complete market capitalization of $239,648,640.